so excited to announce that this is the very first video in a series of videos to start coming every week for the next, who knows, the whole foreseeable future, because my whole passion for reptiles has been reignited. As you can see later in this video, I mean, I filmed this video about 6 months ago. So, I mean, my beard is quite a bit longer, coming up a couple minutes, and my hair is a little crazy. And honestly, I'm less passionate. I'm excited to get some snakes in this video, but the passion I have for my reptiles right now was just a little flame. Filming this video that you're about to watch right now and getting back into sand boas ignited a passion that I haven't really had since I gave my snakes up when I became homeless a few years ago, which was all by choice. They were in good hands, and I needed to get out of Michigan. God knows I needed to get out of Michigan. But I mean, I've been building up some really cool snakes, so I have at least 4 cool unboxings for you guys, and then 2 reptile shows where I also get some sand boas. But yeah, I'm so heavily into my sand boas. I've got some pregnant ones over here. Super stoked to make a video about babies whenever that comes, probably within the next 2 to 4 months. Oh my god, life has been so good. My passion has been completely reignited. As you can see, I'm a little glum later in this video. Mainly, it's early in the morning, so early morning vlogs are not my thing. I need coffee before I film. But honestly, just being able to work with these animals again for the last 6 months has been so much fun, and it's just, I'm like a kid again. It's been great. I've even gotten into rat breeding, because who can afford to feed this many snakes on a 21-year-old salary that hasn't gone to college? So breeding rats has become a necessity, but I've actually fallen in love with it. It's very, very, very appealing distraction from my snakes, because anybody who does reptiles knows that keeping snakes is all a long waiting game. Yeah, it's fun, you're taking care of them every week, you love it, you do it because you love the animals, but the projects you're working on, you don't see them pay off usually for at least a year or 2 down the line. I mean, generally 2 or 3 years down the line if you're talking female-wise. But with rats, it's cool. I mean, I just bought a really cool Dumbo double Rex male, and in a month I'll be producing double Rex babies. So it's really cool. I'll be making hairless rats in a month, and I'll be able to cross that with the albino rats and blue marrow, blah blah blah, and whatever weird gene. I'm still learning them, people. Rats have a lot of cool genetics, and that was a passion I didn't know I had until I started working with them. One, they're crazy sweet animals. I didn't know just how sweet rats were, like kind. They like to cuddle. They're cute. I always looked at them as kind of just vermin. Like, they're gross. Excuse me, they're gross, you know? I mean, yeah. Humans are way more gross than rats, to be totally honest. But mice are a different story. I mean, yeah, anyway. You guys don't want to hear about all this. These are for videos to come. You want to see the meat of this. You want to see the coming unboxing, and I don't blame you for that. I don't. Let's get to this unboxing. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. It's an extra special one for me today because I just got my very first snakes in like 3 years. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you because, I mean, new snakes are always fun. Unboxing snakes is like Christmas. So I'm just sitting here endlessly refreshing my tracking order. So you guys are lucky and get to cut ahead to the good stuff. So I'll see you there. Lucky. All right, so here we go. Ready to unbox. So excited for this. I haven't done this in years. Too. All right, perfect. Let's build up the suspense. This is my little girl. As So you can tell she is a Paradox Snow. And I got these guys from Rufus Garden, a friend of mine I've met at Tinley Park a few years ago. He is a great breeder, produces some really awesome animals. Just check out this little girl. And he's great to work with. Oh, she doesn't want to be pulled out of her little home. There she is. Focusing in on her, I hope you are. Well, I hope you can see her. Beauty. Go great in my collection. And she will be great paired up with this little male I have down here. Put her back. Love to see her. Gotta vacuum all that up now. Sorry, Snake. I spilled all her little bedding in there. Cut that out. Anyway. Thanks, Dad. Here's the stunner. And why I really made the purchase in the first place. Ooh. Oh, he's inside the paper towel. Oh, oh, he's so pretty. This is the coolest snake I got. Oh, hey buddy, come on. Yeah. Oh yes. Paradox stripe sand boa. Little male, and he is so just fluorescent. Let's get them in some great light and get some pictures going. And I'll show you guys the real beauty in these. All right. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. It was a great day. A lot of waiting, but it was so worth it. Those snakes are beautiful, and they are gonna make some awesome babies. I will keep you updated, and I'll probably do an update video next week to let you know how they're doing. And stay tuned to follow on some future adventures. So I hope you really enjoyed today's unboxing, because I mean, it reignited the passion I had for snakes. Update on the animals, because it's like 6 months later. Bad news about one of them, but here is the beautiful male Paradox stripe. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my lord. Here we go. He's gotten pretty chunky. He's a chunk. He's doing great. He barely refuses meals, and he's stunning. I will flash up some picture. He's a beautiful animal. But unfortunately, the other girl I got in this video escaped about 2 months ago, and I haven't had any sign of finding her. Like, not even like a shed or a turd, nothing. So she's gone without food for about 2 months now. It's really sad. It's really frustrating. I haven't given up hope, but man, oh man, every day that goes by, it gets warmer and warmer outside, and I'm just keep my fingers crossed she'll like turn up. But I've torn this place apart looking for her. Regardless, that's what happened, and I wanted to be honest with you guys, because I'm all about truth. I want to show you what it's like to be a reptile breeder. My dog is over there. Let's say hi to the dog. Oh my goodness, she got scared of the vacuum. She doesn't like vacuums. It's okay, baby. It's okay. The vacuum's not gonna hurt you. She's a good dog. Anyway, people, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, because I had so much fun with it. You have no idea. And God, I love that snake. I love the other snake too. Really hope she turns up. So thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And make sure you follow whatever excitement ignites the passion you have in your soul, because it'll take you where you need to be. I promise. I love y'all. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Adios.